How to add cash on delivery in Shopify. Adding cash on delivery in Shopify provides customers with a payment option they prefer, boosting sales and satisfaction. Now, before we are going to proceed with the tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and show you this one. So first, I'm going to go ahead and click this cart here and then proceed with the checkout. Now that we are here, we're going to scroll down to payment, and you should see that the payment option here is credit card and PayPal. So yep, we are going to change this one. I'm going to close this. All right, and we're going to go back here. Now we're just going to go ahead and click the settings, click payments, and scroll down below. There is a manual payment method here. So I'm going to click this one and choose cash on delivery or COD. Click this one here, and then you're going to just put some additional details here. This is definitely optional. So this is the message that is going to be displayed to customers when they're choosing a payment method. You also have here payment instructions. You can definitely put some things in here. So I'm going to go ahead and put here, say for example, additional details. I'm just going to go ahead and show you what this is. And the other one, payment instructions. All right, and then I'm going to activate this one. All right, as you can see, it's now here. We're going to go back here, refresh this one, and we're going to click this, proceed to checkout, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down. There you go. So now we have cash on delivery, and then you have here your additional details if they want to add something. And then for the billing address, same as shipping, or use a different billing address. So yep, that's how it works, everybody. Congratulations, now you know how to add cash on delivery here in your Shopify store. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.